Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. This is that $1,200 box I had promised y'all in the last video. That was the $2,000 box, my most expensive box from Soul. This one was $1,150 plus the $50 shipping, so $1,200. Another high-end box. I'm not gonna waste too much of y'all time. We're gonna jump right in. If you're new to the channel, complete mystery. I have no idea what is in this box. I get a lot of new subs asking where you get them from. Soul Supremacy. What's in the boxes? I don't know. Complete mystery. All I know is they are made to make profit. And you just never know, man. I just like opening them for fun. It's like Christmas every week. We got, this is a $1,200 box and it's looking real light. I got 6 pair. And the last box, you guys know I got a ton of these. Human racers. This is a size 10. I actually like these better than the last ones I got. I've never seen this model in hand. I had the other one. I don't know the nicknames to them. I have all that stuff at the bottom of the screen. These are a size 10. This is a dope colorway. I like the colors on this. Boom, check those out. Stuff like this does not last long on the for sale page. It goes up, and within a couple of hours I normally got a DM of somebody wanting to cop stuff like this real fast. So if you follow the for sale page, man, I appreciate you, and everything on that page is still available if it's still posted. Next, excuse me, next up we got a Air Jordan 1 mid in a size 12. Okay, we got those blue to great joints, the mids. These are never seen these in person. Seen a couple celebrities actually wear these. Personally, I'm not a fan. Not gonna even cap. I'm not a big fan of mids at all. I actually prefer lows over mids when it comes to ones. Highs is obviously preferred in my book. I mean, I know everyone has their own taste. I prefer highs. But these have like a weird color blocking on them. It kind of look like something I would like give to my son. These are just not for me. They I'm pretty sure they'll go because it's a 1 or whatever. Blue to great ones. I got some Vans. They got some crazy color blocking like this. Most of you guys probably seen them on the IG page, and I actually prefer the Vans over the 1. Just my personal preference. Just my personal preference. If you like them, I love them. Hit me up if you need them. We got another Jordan 1 box, size 10. Okay, better. These are better. I've never had these. These are the neutral joints, Jordan 1 OGs. I wish I had the turbos, man. I need those turbo greens. I missed out on the opportunity to cop those. I don't have them. I missed out on those. These are not bad too. These don't go for like bread or bread toast type money or nothing like that, but this is a good pickup. I like them. Too small for me to keep. I need at least a 10.5 and ones. These are pretty nice though. I actually like the little hit of orange on it. Turbo greens though were slept on. I love them. Them things are going for crazy money right now. So I will be waiting until I get them in the box. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not going out spending that. No sir, I get them all out of a box. We got 3 pair left. We got some 350s. Size 13. 350s. Okay. Check these out. I want to say these are the bread 350s. Dang, look at the inside. Still got that Yeezy in full effect. Adidas in there. The bottom still really white. Say what you want to, Yeezys will still sell, and they will sell fast. These are size 13. So that part might hold me up a little bit, but they even still got them laced nicely. These are ready to go. Adidas on the inside of both of them, still very much readable. Insole still clean. No receipt, unfortunately, but luckily they came from Soul, so I'm not too worried about that. No receipt on those, but I always like to have them just to give that extra vote of confidence to the buyer if I sell locally. Somebody that might not watch the channel or know anything about me. I think I'm out here trying to play games, and I don't want to do that. We got a 350 V2, again in a size 13. Again in great shape. A $1,200 box. Are these things not selling for much anymore or what? Because I remember the last two pair I pulled out, these things were going for like $500 a piece. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do my research. I have that information at the bottom of the screen, but check those out. These are very clean also. I'm assuming they came from the same person just by the way they laced and the condition, same size and everything. I'll check again, see if this one has a receipt. No receipt in that box either, but again, luckily they came from Soul Supremacy. This is definitely a quality over quantity box, which is what I prefer. Saves me some space in the man cave. Last up, we got a Nike Daybreak Undercover size 13. Again, size 13. We have the Undercover Daybreaks. They're not DS laced or anything like that, but these look like they dead stock. Or somebody maybe tried them on or something like that. These are very clean. I'm gonna say these are dead stock. I mean, they're not laced up like they came from the factory, but they don't have a scratch. They don't have a dirt or anything on the bottom. These are size 13. I'm not gonna lie, I like these. I know this is weird because of the back, but they just remind me of Cortez. If you're a real OG of the channel, you know I consider Cortez a grail for me. These are dope, man. They kind of weird, but I like them. I like runners, love runners. This would be something I rock to the gym and just have a good time in. I don't think they go for too much, so I wouldn't feel bad about unds and something like that. Undercover and Nike. So size 13, dead stock. Well, I'll say 9 out of 10. I won't even say dead stock. These are very, very clean. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the box. That is all on this box. We got a total of 6 pair for $1,200. I am very happy with it. I think the Yeezys alone are gonna bring back a good 80% of the box probably. I'll have to do my research on those. Y'all know I don't keep up with Yeezys. I'm not really into the hype beast stuff. But again, thank y'all for watching. If you see anything, email me TGOTSOLE@gmail.com or DM me at TGOTSOLE for sale. That's the for sale page. Or if you want to see Fat Boy lift every now and then, you can follow the regular main page at TGOTSOLE. Thank y'all for watching the $2,000 box. That video was crazy with the with the lightning floors in it. Yeah, if whatever's still posted on that for sale page from that box is still available, so make sure you run over there. Even if you don't have an IG, you can still see what's on the page and email me. All you gotta do is click the link down below in the description and take you straight to the page. And hit the eBay link. Sometimes I randomly throw stuff on there, so you might see some stuff on eBay, but more than likely you have better luck on the for sale page. I think that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap it up. I do not have a box in currently or ordered. I do not have a box ordered currently, so might not have a vid next week, unfortunately, but if I do get one in, it'll be a video. So I'm so behind. I don't even know when you guys gonna get this one, but I'm trying, man. So appreciate y'all watching. I'm out. Peace.